We were working so hard with this fellow that was
beginning
a little senility, and it was very difficult. He couldn't understand the math, and Elise would say, go over it one more time. But it had to be 4 or 5 times. And he said, you know, I just feel like I'm being taken advantage of. And I turned around to him and I said, I would hurt myself before I hurt you. Understand one thing, we would never, ever do anything to hurt you. We do make it fun. We're kind of goofballs.
Yeah, no, we are goofballs, not kind of.
We are the Starr Team, and she always wanted to be a star. But the only way she could be a star was to marry a star. What I did was, I would ask her to go out, and I would make her think it was a date, but then I would just get in my car after the date and say, hey, I got things to do, and it would drive her crazy.
And then you wouldn't call for like
I wouldn't
weeks.
call for a while.
But he just pushed it a little too far.
Not at all. I knew when to close the deal.
I've been doing this 38 years and I love it. I love every single day. People pay me to do this. I think the reason why they hire us is because they know we're trustworthy, we're honest, and we're just down-to-earth good people, and I think they feel that.
We're going to take care of them and their families and their persons and their children and their animals. What they know is they're going to be just fine.